Hey there YouTube. I'm gonna do a new 3-point turn video, more detail. The whole concept of doing a 3-point turn is you're trying to turn around to go in the direction that you're coming from, and usually the space is not large enough to do, you know, a U-turn, a full U-turn. So you would basically be trying to turn around in 3 steps, right? For instance, we're gonna try to turn around in this parking area, and the goal is to do it without going into the actual parking spaces, right? So we're gonna turn around between these parking spaces here and the parking spaces over there, right? So it's a left, right, left situation. You turn all the way to the left, you turn all the way to the right, you reverse, and then you turn all the way left again. So we're gonna signal left, and then we're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. We're starting on the extreme right side, we'll turn all the way to the left, and then we're gonna roll, and we're gonna go until we get right to the edge of the parking space. We're not going into the lines, we're stopping right at the edge of the line. Okay, now we're going to reverse. So we're going to put the car in reverse, and we're going to turn all the way to the right, all the way until the wheel stops, right? And then we're going to reverse, and we're going to go back until we're right at the edge of the parking space. We're not trying to go into the space. Imagine that there are cars into these parking spaces, so we're trying to avoid hitting the cars, right? So now we will put the car back into drive, and we're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left again, and then we're going to roll forward, and we're going to straighten the wheel into the right lane, right? So that is the 3-point turn. Again, we're trying to turn around in a confined space. Usually the space is not big enough to do a full U-turn, so we're turning around in 3 steps. You'll turn all the way to the left, go up, stop, put it in reverse, all the way to the right, reverse, stop, put it back in drive, and turn all the way to the left again. Left, right, left. Okay, I hope I was helpful in this video. So please like the videos and subscribe. I have videos on practically everything you need to know. So check out the YouTube channel, watch the videos, and enjoy. Thank you.